Okay, hello. My name is Yukiria Ileka, and I head operations at the Brainstorm Group. So I'll be sharing a few insights, taking a look at this data analytics on the nexus between technology and, sustainable development. How sustainable growth can be accelerated, through investment in technology. And this speaks to, IT investment versus GDP growth in a few selected developing countries. Nigeria, we had Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, and Rwanda. And we could see that this boosts GDP growth by 10%. And then another look at the other variables. We have the digital agriculture versus increase in crop yield. And of course, what this simply means, what this explains is that, when there is an investment in technology, when, you use technological means to foster agricultural growth or your agricultural activities, it's going to boost increase in crop yield. And this speaks to both, data, soil health. And of course, we have at Brainstorm a solution that speaks very well to this, which is the Notify. The Notify clearly explains this, in a way that with the data set, it explores how soil health can affect, what what the crop yield of the farmer is going to be, from year to year. And this also gives, signal like early warning signs in the cases of, negative climate impact on their crop yield. And I'm talking about like the flood, even the disease, and how can then what can be done, to put in place this disease control, identifying the problems, associated with agricultural activities by investing in digital infrastructure would definitely increase, crop yield. And we could see that there is an increase by 20%. And then look at the digital agriculture versus, reduction in water consumption. And this clearly, as well as the other variable, which is the e-governance initiatives. And when I say e-governance initiatives at Brainstorm, we have this proof of concept where we have a public financial management system that speaks to e-budget, taxes, revenue collection